Episode 3 of Scruffy and Friends. Back at home. I wonder what we should do today. Let's just explore the house. Let's see what's around. Come on, Cookie. Let's go get Mr. Magoo. Mr. Magoo! Ah! Oh, you guys scared me. Sorry. Like brother, like sister, like brother. Yesterday was last night was a really weird night because I had to go to the hospital. Look, see? I got stitches. So did he. I had a hole. Maybe it was me who was contagious. I didn't know I had the hole, but... where? And there we go. Now I had the hole. But Mr. Magoo found out. It's right there. It's right... Yeah. If you don't know where it is, it's right there. Yeah. And the old Scruffy didn't before I didn't have that. Well, now I'm all better. So, let's go explore. We're exploring? Where? The house. Alright, let's go. Ooh, how do we get down? Oh, there's a big bouncy thing down there. Oops. I think we have to jump on that. Oh, it is bouncy. Oh, ow, that hurt. There. Cookie? Come on. Let's go. Wow. That was actually sort of fun. So this is technically it is the hallway. The end of this room. Oh, yeah, actually, it's the hallway, and here's a mountain, so we can play. This is a big house. Hey, look, a gigantic sculpture of a garbage can. Actually, I think it is a real garbage can, but who knows? Oh, that is a real garbage can. So, oops. We better get going. Well, sorry, we didn't really get to spend some time together. Ooh, look at this. Actually, I think this should be our bedroom. Let's move our beds. Let me call the movers. Ring, 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 ring. Hello? Hi, movers, can you please move our beds? Yes, for the superstars. Alright. Where do you want your bed? You want them in here. Oh, alright. This Scruffy, me. Actually, I know what we're gonna do this time. Cookie. Cookie here. Of course, Mr. Magoo. How could I not know the names of my favorite TV stars? Yeah, a light, Here's a light. And yeah, perfect. Anything else for my favorite superstars?
Well, really we don't need anything right now.
Let's try out our new beds.
This is a nice room, actually. The best bedroom. I fell.
Cookie, are you okay? And stop falling during this episode.
Sorry.
Where's my bed? Oh yeah, my bed's here. Well, want me to tuck you guys in? Wait, I need to do this. Wait. Mr. McGoo, in bed.
Are you like our housemate or something?
No. Can I be?
Sure, we need a housemate. We're superstars anyway, so.
Tuck you in.
And I think we need to go now. It's getting late. It's 6:05. For aliens, 6:05 is like 10 o'clock in human time. Well, it's like 10:05 in human time. So, bye from me, Scruffy. Bye from her, Cookie. And bye from him, Mr. McGoo. See ya.